Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. So the mini market is going crazy, and that is a good thing. So we have a new one here from HAIBOXING. This is going to be an 18 scale brushed four-wheel drive truck. Now you guys see there it does come with a 380 motor. So I'm going to do a quick review on this. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to crack this bad boy open. I'm going to, of course, take it out for a quick run. I won't do a speed run. There's no use in trying to do a speed run. It's probably going to go about 20 to 25 miles per hour with it. But I'm glad that we have a lot more options and stuff for a lot more smaller vehicles out there. And HAIBOXING has done that with a lot of their vehicles. They have a lot of small vehicles out there in the market. So there's going to be a link below in the description to check this out. So let me go ahead. Let me crack this open. All right, getting this all unpacked, you guys see here's the vehicle here. Now, it does not have the decals on it, the stickers and stuff, of course, are right here for us, so we'll get this pop right on before we run it. It does have that plastic film on, so you do want to remove this before you put those decals on. And I think it should come with two LiPos. There's going to be one of them, you guys see there, it's going to be 850 milliamp LiPo, 25C. It does come with a USB charger and stuff there. And this is going to be the radio. This should be fine for this vehicle. It's a 2.4 gigahertz radio. It's got all the bells and whistles for a trim for a vehicle of this size and at this price range for it. I didn't see any extra body pins unless oh, there they go right there. I was going to say they always give you extra body pins, so there's some extra body pins in there for you too as well. Go ahead and pop this off to show you guys the inside of this vehicle. Taking this body off, yep, double our LiPos installed right in there. And this does have one of those 2-in-1 speed controllers that are hooked up for us. This is going to be a 380 brushed motor. Now, of course, this is four-wheel drive. It does have lights on the front of that, which you guys will see once I get this going out here for it. And suspension setup, it's going to be okay. I think it'll be maybe a little bit bouncy and stuff, but I think we'll be fine. And this is so funny because they normally do this on their cars, and funny in a good way that they actually put adjustable plastic body shocks on here, so you guys see it there, so you don't have to worry about spaces or anything with that. You can just twist this around and tighten the suspension up if you have to do it with that. Tires do not have foam or anything in it, but I think we'll be fine with running this. And of course, this uses like a Phillips head screwdriver or something to get these tires and wheels off. So anyway, let me go ahead, let me get this battery charged up, and let's take this out for a quick drive. All right, y'all, out here with the test run of this. So remember, this does have two speeds there. They're on your far right. So I do have it on the farthest or the highest speed for this, but it is a 2-speed car. Now, this is going to be ran at the highest speed. It's actually pretty quick for a small vehicle, but if it's too fast, just flip that switch and it cuts it down, well, about a couple miles per hour. Which should be fine if you guys have kids out here running it too. So, but I'm a professional. So I tell myself, so I'm gonna run this on the higher gear. I do have some of these Proline ramps out here. That's not doing bad at all. That's performing good. I'd say this is probably about 18 to 20 miles per hour, maybe a little bit faster. First flip, I was trying to be cool and hit that full speed. That didn't work out well. Land on our feet again. I'm so glad that companies make other options too. Oh, didn't land on our feet that time. Thought we'd get it that time. All right. Let's check the range on this. We could probably go all the way up there, but I'm pretty sure shouldn't be any problem. Yep. I only wish as a kid I had this kind of stuff. It would have been so cool. We had nothing wrong with the stuff I grew up with, like the Tamiya cars and stuff, but just having the option of vehicles like this that ran this good reminds me of the Tyco turbo hopper days. And this is faster than the turbo hopper, y'all. And it costs a lot less, even compared to the 80 prices. Look at that. This is actually quick. Now that I'm thinking about other vehicles to compare it to, you got Arma, got Traxxas, WL Toys, and I'm talking about vehicles that are going to be this size. Maybe someday, if I can get the time, I can do a mini challenge to get all the 18, 16, 14, 12 scale cars together and just run them. Time is just limited because I do run 2 channels. If you guys don't know, I do have a UFO channel too. UFO conspiracies, UFO phenomena is what it's called now. And plus, you got life, work, and all that, so it keeps me kind of occupied 24/7. Thought I'd get that. This is going good though, so good job with this one. And you get 2 batteries with it. You'll probably get about maybe 15 minutes of run time or so with this, 12 to 15. But it's jumping good though. I didn't expect it to jump this good. Do one more good jump. Get it full blast if I can hit it. He tried to jump like one of the big boys there. So far so good. So there's going to be a link below in the description with the holiday season and everything coming up. This is a great little buy if you just want to get some small cars. You want to get a child involved in the RC hobby. I'd recommend something like this just to get them started because look at that. Good servo, got lights and everything on it. Get 2 batteries for it. Get it off of Amazon, get it in the next couple of days or so. So that'd be actually really good. So anyway, guys, put your comments down what you guys think about this. I don't know if they'll do a brushless version, but if they do, that'd actually be pretty cool too. So don't forget to like, subscribe, put your comments down below. Stay tuned for the next video. Appreciate you watching.